Hi friends, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. Now, if this is your first time here, I'm Valrine. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll subscribe before you go. Now, in this video, I am looking at a term which is commonly used in design and decor, and it is white to the road. WHITE, to the road. Now, what does that even mean? Let's get to it and tell you exactly what it means. Window treatments sometimes come with lining, right? Sometimes they don't come with lining. And so what happens when they don't come with lining is usually you will see the color of the fabric that is used in the window treatment. And therefore, if you have 4 or 5 or 6 windows in the front of your home, and you have different colors in each room, what will happen is when somebody passes your home and they look at your home, they will see all the different colors looking back at them, and it will not look cohesive. It won't give you that curb appeal that everybody wants to have, right? And so white to the road ensures that when somebody looks at your house, they will see just one color in all the windows. And so your lining is what the lining for your window treatment is what they will be looking at. It can be white, doesn't have to be, can be beige, off-white. Even now, sometimes we have like a light gray or a light, very muted light color of any color on the color wheel, but usually not very bright, right? It reads more white or off white. And so that is what is used for the lining to ensure that you have cohesion on the front of your house. Now, they usually say business in the front and party in the back, which means that the windows at the back, if you don't want to line them, or if you don't want to have white or one color in each window, that's fine. However, in the front, you should always ensure that you have that white to the road. Even for some condominiums and townhouse condominiums, they will tell you nothing else should be seen from your windows except a white or a off-white, whatever they instruct you. Why? Because they want their building to look cohesive and to have that lovely curb appeal, so to speak, when somebody passes and look at the building. They don't want to have like 4, 5, 6, 7, everybody have a different color in their window, right? And so that's what it is. By the way, I mentioned about some window treatments not being lined, so you don't have that white that you can put to the road. What you can do is use a sheer or a voile fabric to hang in front of the curtain that's not lined, and then you will get that white instead of having the color of the curtain showing through. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, hit that subscription button, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. Also, I'm taking requests for topics that you would like me to cover, friends. So go ahead and put them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.